What I mean by resizable is if I go in here and I change this to, thank you, sir, change this to 4, and I change this one to 7, and I run it, my stoplight got bigger. So did my circles. Did y'all see how that happened?
No.
So the whole thing is scaling, okay? I want the whole thing to change sizes. What I did was, for my, and you notice I use comments. That way I know exactly what each part of my thing is, okay? I know what each part of it is. It's really easy for me to understand. I didn't ask you to use comments, but they are really helpful. So for my rectangle, I made it a certain color, and then I made the width and height of my rectangle width and height, which makes it the actual size of the canvas. Okay? So when I say width and height, what that means is it's going to be the same size as the canvas. Now, when I went down here to my circles, and I started doing my circles, I positioned them to where, like, the X and Y axis is a certain percentage of the width and height. So
what you trying to say? You made the
I made them
the same size as the actual screen.
Yeah. So the rectangle is the exact same size as the screen.
But you got to do a certain thing to make it resize with the screen, right?
No. If you make it set to the screen size, it's automatically going to adjust for the screen size. Now, for my circles, I made their size a certain percentage of that. So my circles are actually a quarter of the height and a quarter of the width of the actual, like, screen size. And then I positioned them with a width and height so they would adjust as well. So for my red circle, I made it half the width and I made it a fifth of the height. Okay, so that's what I did to make my stuff change. Okay, yes.
Can we go in the hallway?
Yes. You have your trust cards?
Yes, sir.
All right.